Welcome back. This is Breezing Through, and I'm Emily. So if you have been watching my videos for a little while now, about a year, when we lived in Argentina last year, one of the things that I started doing was life skills. I do a lot of downloads, especially for families with neurodivergent kids, to help create accommodations. So one of the things I started doing was life skills, and this was specifically, I started doing these for my daughter. And I gave her all the steps for bathing. So for her, I did taking a bath, but I also made a taking a shower version of it as well. So when we were in Argentina, I put it up on the wall in the bathroom so that she knew exactly what she needed to do. She had pictures, she had a checklist, exactly what she needed. Well, we come back from Argentina and she stopped taking baths, which fine, whatever. And we've struggled a little bit with like the steps in a shower, of the actions in taking a shower. So I am going to pull back that download and use the shower version and put that up in her bathroom. So let's get started. So just as a refresher, this is what I did in Argentina. Once I created everything, I printed out the steps and I found these single plastic sheets that I was able to put each of the steps in. So I put those on the wall, just taped them up using masking tape, and then in the actual shower, I put the checklist with the steps so that she knew exactly what she needed to do to take a bath. So when we came back to the US and she wanted to take showers and we were having trouble with doing all the steps, I did ask her, I said, do you want the checklist or do you want all the steps with the pictures like we did with the bath? And she told me she just wanted the checklist, which is so great about this download is I have created 4 basically different versions. You have the 2 different bath versions, which are steps with pictures or the checklist, and then the 2 different shower versions, which are the steps with pictures or the checklist. Once I'd printed out the checklist, I then put them into the laminating sheets and put them through the laminator. My favorite laminator and laminating sheets are linked in my bio on this blog post, on my Amazon storefront, and all of the places. Then when it came to her actual shower, I went and bought her this little shower mirror that just suctions onto the wall, and it has a nice little hook on it, which I was able to hang her little scrubbing brush on. So that was really nice. And I wanted to put the checklist on the other side of the shower on this wall. However, this soap dispenser that I got several years ago and installed in her bathroom was in the way. I will say in her bathroom, she's not using it. She prefers having the bottles, and that's fine with me. If that's what works best for her, then I decided I was just going to take out this dispenser and do it the way it works best for her. I was a little worried about getting this off of the shower wall, but with a little bit of work with my utility knife, I was able to get the casing to come right off, which was great. And then I peeled off what I could of the sticky bits. There was this glue that was part of the kit to adhere this to the shower. Again, I just used my utility knife and this little scraper that I have, and I scraped all the glue and the rest of the residue off, and it came off surprisingly easily. Honestly, it probably took me a total of 20 to 30 minutes to get all of it off, and then I just wiped it down with a wipe. And I was also surprised that I did not scratch the shower wall, because this is just a regular standard tub. So that was really nice and very surprising. Once I got all of that off, I then took the 3 pages of the laminated checklist and put them on the shower wall so she could easily see them and read them while she's taking her shower. And then I added the shampoo, conditioner, and soap that she wants to use. Not sponsored by Dove, but hey Dove, if you want to sponsor us, she absolutely loves your products. And then this is what the final thing looks like. It is perfect for her and it's been working out really well. I don't have to hover while she's showering now. So that's it. Super easy. Just gave her a few little updates. It's exactly what she needed. You can find this download on my website at breezingthroughblog.com/shop. And it is the bathing life skills download. It is $5. All of my downloads are $5 unless they are free. So you can find them all there. If you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comments, give me any feedback, and like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.